What is the Google Project Management Certificate? How does it compare to the PMP certificate? Should you go for the Google Project Management Certificate or should you go for the PMP certificate? Let's understand more in this video. Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel, youtube.com/pmclounge. We are all about project management. We are all about PMP and other project management related certifications. On this channel, you will find every single concept that you need to study for your certification exams, for your PMP exams, right? So definitely subscribe, definitely check out the other videos. Now in this video, let's talk about the Google Project Management Certificate. And as you can see on your screen, this is something which is being created in partnership with Coursera, and it is basically a certification offered by Google in the field of project management, of course. And here are some of the important points. No relevant experience required. Now, this is a big difference between PMP and the Google Project Management Certificate, right? Because in order to be eligible for the PMP exam, PMP certification, you need to have at least 3 years of project management experience. So it is a professional level certification that requires you to have some experience in the field of project management itself before you are eligible for it. But this certification is is for total newbies, right? You may have no experience at all and you can still apply for it. Now, what I wanted to discuss in this video, apart from this, was some of the information that is provided in the FAQ section, right? So who is this program for? It is for everyone. It is for you. No prior experience or specific knowledge is required. So you can walk in. You might not have any idea what project management is. You can walk in, you can, get yourself trained for this certification and basically stand a chance to obtain this certification, as opposed to PMP, which requires you to have certain knowledge, certain experience already. All you need is an interest in solving problems and working with people. So then it has some more questions, but I had one more question that I wanted to take up, where they have talked about PMI, right? So will completing this certificate help prepare me for Project Management Institute certifications? So the question basically is, if somebody completes this Google Project Management Certificate, will they be prepared enough to obtain PMI certifications? Now, to answer this question, they have not mentioned PMP anywhere. In fact, what they talk about is the CAPM, Certified Associate in Project Management, right? Because CAPM, just like this certification, CAPM does not require you to have any kind of experience whatsoever, right? Someone right out of college can apply for the CAPM certification, just like the Google Project Management certification. So yes, it is going to, if you have the Google Project Management Certificate, it is going to help you with your CAPM certification, because you get over 100 hours of project management education, while CAPM requires you much less hours to be eligible for the CAPM exam. So this is where the Google Project Management Certificate stands, and I'd like to quickly talk about the certification framework of PMI, right? Where it has mentioned 0 to 3 years experience. Someone who is new to projects, they can go for PMI Ready, CAPM, ACP, DASM, DASSM. These are the kind of certifications that someone who has 0 to 3 years of experience can go for. And this is the row where I would also place the Google Project Management certification here, right? Because it is for people who have 0 to 3 years of experience. But if you have 3+ years of experience, you are a skilled practitioner, that's when you can go for PMP or other certifications mentioned here. So I don't like to compare PMP with this certification. You should, if you have the experience, if you have the knowledge, if you want to, further scale up your game in terms of project management, you should definitely go for PMP. PMP still remains hands down the #1 project management certification out there. It is the gold standard. I cannot say it enough. So Google Project Management Certificate, it is something that you can basically opt for if you're new to projects, if you don't have any kind of experience. I think it's something which can help you, test waters basically. That's all. PMP is a professional level certification. So I hope you got some clarity out of this video. A lot of our community members wanted to know more about this certification. So I thought I'll create a video and share what I think about it. So if you got value out of this video, please hit that like button. It helps us stay motivated and create more free content for you. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.